Today we are going to review how to read your GVSU Financial Aid Award letter and what your next steps should be now that you have an award. Please note, this letter is not your student bill. Your award letter will consist of 3 pages. Here's an example of the first page. At the top you'll see Student ID, commonly called your G number. This is important to keep track of and remember. A lot of offices on campus, like financial aid, will ask for your G number in order to bring up your account when you call or stop by. Next, you'll see the table that lists the different types of aid that you are eligible to receive. This may be loans, scholarships, grants, or a combination of the 3. They are categorized by the types of aid. On the right-hand side, you will see the amount of the aid for the fall semester, the winter semester, and then the total of each type of aid. The bottom blue line lists the semester and yearly totals that you were offered. The second page gives a description of each type of aid offered on the first. The descriptions of the loans offered also list the interest rate and the additional steps that you would need to take in order to use the loan to pay your bill. At the top of this page, you will also see a number listed for the maximum amount of aid you can receive during the year. This is not what your bill amount will be, but rather an estimate of what all of your expenses could be for the year. This number is also the maximum amount of aid that you are eligible to receive. To receive aid in that amount, you may need to pursue other options, such as a private loan through a bank or a credit union. The last page of your award letter lists step-by-step instructions on how to accept or decline the aid offered to you. Keep in mind that grants and scholarships are automatically accepted and will apply to your account as long as you are enrolled for the necessary amount of credits. You will only need to accept or decline the loan amounts offered to you, as well as federal work study if that was part of your offered award. Now that you have your GVSU Financial Aid Award letter, make sure to contact us with any questions. You do not have to make decisions on the aid immediately, and we recommend taking time to review all of your award letters and follow up with schools to get all of your questions answered before making a decision. We will have another video soon to show you how to navigate your GVSU My Banner account to respond to your award letter.